Once upon a time, parents would tell children that if they weren't good, they would get coal in their stocking. Well, these coal cookies anyone would love to find in their stocking on Christmas. Cream that butter and sugar makes everything light and super fluffy. Now, these cookies need to look like coal, and for that, black cocoa powder. It's regular cocoa powder's evil twin. No, kidding. It's just less processed, so it's less acidic and darker. And I'm gonna spice these up a little bit. Woo! Chili powder, don't go overboard. A little cayenne pepper and cinnamon. These are gonna be good. Last of the dry ingredients, it's just some flour and baking soda. Beater's on low. I don't want to get lost in a cloud of flour. Isn't everything better with chocolate chunks? I've got chili dark chocolate, and I love white. It's like naughty and nice. Mmm, so creamy. How am I gonna get those authentic coal shapes? Ice cream scoop. Obviously, coal cookies are bound for the furnace. Now these have cooled, but don't forget, there's still a little heat to them on the inside. And I suggest you go check your naughty and nice list, and then just give these to everyone. Now that's a good cookie. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, woo! And with a little kick of chili at the very end. That's so unexpected, but so good.